Hi everybody, how are you guys doing? Happy Wednesday. Today on our DIY Wednesday, we are going to do a little bit of origami. But before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Beth Chatterton. I am your friendly neighborhood 4-H program coordinator for McDonough County. And like I said, today we're going to discuss origami. So if you remember back in the spring, we had talked about origami being this traditional way of folding paper into beautiful objects and how it is a great way to showcase your creativity, and then also just to kind of give you some mindfulness and help maybe focus your thoughts onto something. One of the cool things about origami is you can literally make like anything. You can make a cup out of paper, you can make a fox, you can make a hopping frog, cranes, little ninja stars, just about anything. One of the more difficult things about origami when it comes to watching a video is when you have your paper, knowing which side is which side you should be folding and whatnot. So to make it a little bit easier today for our video, I have decided to show you how to make origami using a dollar bill. So today we are going to make a little t-shirt out of a $1 bill. I don't know if you ever sat at the lunch table and saw a friend making crazy things out of dollars, but I remember that memory from my childhood, and this is something fun that you can do on the go. I do recommend you paying attention to where your dollar does end up if you're showing it off. So let's get started, and we're going to make a $1 t-shirt, and then I'm going to share also a video in the comments section of a gentleman who does the exact same thing, but he's got a camera on his hands doing it, and you can pause it and so that you can take a look. And then there is also a video that I'm going to share where you can also make dollar pants, so you can make a whole little $2 outfit. How fun is that? So dollar shirt. So, and this is a collared shirt. It could even be like a show shirt if you want it to be. So we are going to take our $1 bill and we are going to put it on the table with Mr. George Washington, our very first president, looking up at us, and we are going to fold it in half like a hot dog. So you're going to put it down and you're going to fold it in half like this. So it's like a hot dog. And like I said, Mr. George Washington is in the middle. Next, what we're going to do is you're going to open it up and you're going to fold the bottom part to that middle crease like this, and then you're going to do the top part down to the middle as well. And I need to put that on my table. So now we have it just like this. So what we're going to do now is we are going to flip it this way, and we're going to make the collar piece. So luckily there's that border on a dollar, so we are going to fold it right where that line is. So it is now going to look like that. Easy, right? So far so good. Now we're going to flip it over to make the collar piece. What you're going to do is I'm trying not to use my fingers too much. You are going to take the corner of it and you are going to bend it, or fold it, I should say fold it to that middle piece. And if it's not exactly, that's okay. So there's one piece of the collar, and now you're going to do the other side. So it's beginning to start looking like the piece of a collared shirt, right? All right. So how do we get the button part of our t-shirt? Well, you are going to kind of use your best judgment. You might have to make a couple little tweaks, but we're going to fold it once and then twice and tuck it in to our collar. So you're going to take your dollar bill and try to guess about a third of the way. You're going to fold it and then just kind of give it a good squeeze there to make a crease, and then you're going to fold it again, and then you want to tuck it into your collar. And this is going to be all about practice makes perfect. All right, So are we missing something on our shirt? I think we're missing some sleeves. Where are we going to put our little arms? So let's go ahead and see how you make a sleeve. This part is a little tricky, and you're not going to be able to see the best way when I'm doing it, but like I said, I'm going to share a video in the comment section and you'll have a better idea of how you do the sleeves. So now what we're going to do is we're going to unfold our shirt part. So you fold it out and fold it out. And so you see where that first crease is? You're going to kind of take it and kind of open it. So it makes that piece. So I'm going to reposition. And you're going to kind of make it come out like here and pinch it. So then you can close it and see it kind of looks like a sleeve. So then I'm just going to really like squeeze it and give it a good crease. So, and you kind of have to play around with it. It took me a couple times to get it to be like that. And I did find that if you do have a crisper, like newer dollar, it does work a little bit easier as far as making creases. But if you have an older dollar that has traveled around a lot, that one actually is a little bit softer. So sometimes it's a little bit easier to manipulate. Okay, so we can't just have one sleeve, right? We need to have two. So we're going to open it up again. And like I said, you're going to take that part and kind of open it up a bit and kind of fold it a little bit. And I don't know if you can see it very well, but you're going to squeeze it here. And you're going to kind of play with it and fold it. So then there's our little sleeves. And then we're going to do the exact same thing we did again. Bring it up. And then you're going to tuck it into your little collar, and voila, you have made a dollar t-shirt. You can wow all of your friends and family that you can do some origami with $1. There is a whole slew of videos on how to do origami with just $1 or any other currency that you might have. Like I said, you can also make a pair of little dollar pants. For this one, and I'm going to share the video with you, and this, my poor George Washington has seen better days, but this one, you're going to do almost the exact same thing that we did with the t-shirt, in that you're going to fold it in half like a hot dog. Okay, and then you are going to open it up, and then you are going to fold it this way where it meets the middle crease. See if I can do it, showing it to you guys. You're gonna do whoop, that way. So here is it folded, and then what you're going to do, if I can remember how to do it, is you're going to fold it in half, and you're going to make a good crease here, kind of in the middle, because this is going to be how you're going to measure your next folds to make the pant leg part. So we're going to open it up, and you are going to, the best that you can, is you are going to take this corner. Sorry, I had to flip it over. Okay, you are going to, here's my middle piece. You are going to fold it down like this, but here's the trick. You're only going to crease this top part, so just right there. I'm just going to crease that piece. Next, you're going to open it up, and you're going to do the exact same thing to the three sides. So we're going to make a triangle, or not triangle, a diamond shape crease. So now I'm going to take my bottom part. Sorry, I keep flipping it because it's helping me this way, but I'm only going to make the crease at the bottom like that. Then we're going to do the other sides. So I'm going to try not to flip it this time. So down the middle, there we go, and just crease that top part. And like I said, I'll share the video for both of these that I found on YouTube, because it'll help being able to pause. And then you're going to do the top one there, and then you're going to open it like that. And then, if I can remember correctly, so we've got I don't know if you can see pretty good, but there's a whole bunch of creases there in the middle. You are going to, I have it this way. you're going to kind of fold one under the finger and you're going to push it, and it's going to bring up the corner pieces. Ooh, how did I do this? I am so sorry, guys. I shouldn't have taken it apart. I should have just showed you the video because I was able to do it on the first try. You have to do it this way. Hold it. When you push it in, it's going to pucker up, and you're going to be able to make your pant leg. Okay, so it's going to kind of like pucker up, and then you'll be able to fold one leg like this, and then when you hold kind of like where the hip would be on the pants, you can push this one in, and then it kind of folds that way, and then you've got your little dollar pants that you can put with your dollar shirts. Now, what can we do with these? You can, like I said, wow your friends and family. If you were giving a gift, maybe to a friend or maybe like even your dad, you can put this in a card and do it this way. There are different ways to make dresses. I saw a couple different ways to make dresses. There's even a video where you can make a little bow tie or a little tie for your shirt. So just something creative and fun to do, to wow people, to give a gift in a very unique way. So I hope that this was something that you enjoyed. It's always good to learn a new skill or to try a brand new activity. It helps our brain grow stronger, and it also helps with our memory. So this is my fun little activity for you today. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later.